Feedback from my recent workshops for a combat military logistics unit based in the UK. I asked many respondents. They were all different ranks, and the highest being a major. I asked what were the strengths of the event and what did you find most useful or enjoyable and why, and this is what I received in response. The amount of engagement, the encouragement of self-actualization and assessment to improve in a given task or skill. The message that it's okay not to get everything right first time as you're learning, and that with practice and experience comes improvement. I found it all made linear sense and moved along at a decent pace. John obviously uses something he's good at and well versed in to get his point across. All sessions helped me to relax and showed the importance of keeping control. I enjoyed learning about how the body can instruct the mind. I enjoyed that it was physical and that we were not just sitting and listening all the way through. Under the circumstances of lockdown, it was well adapted. Obviously, it would have been much better in a room all together with the physical partners and all feeling the energy of the session together. I like the way John explained the flow state and how it links to the mind, and if it's too stressful, it's much harder to access the flow state. The need to slow things down and observe can increase accuracy. Not to concentrate on the movements I needed to perform, but to watch how to react to what was coming at me. It was fun to work with my partner and get her involved in what I was doing. She also enjoyed it and got something from it. I enjoyed the journey in that it started with a basic understanding of what flow was, but reinforced that understanding during the session. It was slightly hampered by the virtual nature of the training, and I would be very, very interested to do this in a physical environment again as soon as it's allowed. Getting moving, taking myself out of my comfort zone. It was really well presented, given the added barrier of delivery over Microsoft Teams. I found it very useful to be able to use a different technique, which I now know will help me focus on the task set out to me. It's also enhanced my ability to think on my feet more and not to rush into any given situation. So that was the feedback from my recent course for a military combat unit based in the Northwest. If you'd like to approach me with regards to one of my workshops, please contact me at win@painpointcoach.co.uk.